Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create scrolling text effect on Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to click on new project here, and then I'm going to add black background to my project. I'm just going to search for the black background like this. I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to add the black background to my project. Okay, and I'm going to extend the duration like this, and wait, I'm going to remove the ending. All right, and we're going to add text to this background. For example, I'm going to add timeline, so I'm gonna make timeline scrolling text. I'm going to go to the text and then select add text, and I'm just going to paste the text I have just copied. Okay, and you can change the font if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, like this. I'm going to create scrolling timeline. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm going to make it smaller, and then I'm going to create scrolling effect. Okay, just like this. I'm going to make it out of frame like this, and then we can add keyframe, and you can go to the end part of the text and then you can move it up like this. Okay, and it will create something like this, and we're going to save this video. You can click on export and just wait for a moment until the video is exported. Okay, now it's time to create a new project again. I'm going to click on new project, and we need to import the timeline video, the scrolling video. Okay, and we're going to add mask. You can click on the video, and then you can go to the mask menu. Wait guys, click on the mask and you can choose the rectangle mask. You can place it on the center, and then you can adjust the feather. You can adjust the feather here. Okay, and then I'm going to check it first. Okay, and this is the result. As you can see guys, that the scrolling text effect has been created. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create scrolling text effect on Capcut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!